Many people think food security starts when prices rise at the market, when beans disappear from the shelves, when money is no longer enough. But the truth is different. Food security starts long before that. It starts in the soil you choose to plant. Today, this matters more than ever. Because the climate is changing. Rains no longer come when they used to. Heat is stronger. Seasons are less predictable. And when the climate becomes unstable, those who depend only on the market suffer first. Beans have always been a foundation food for small producers. They nourish, sustain, and support families throughout the year. Those who grow their own beans are not controlled by prices, shortages, or broken supply chains. That is why learning to plant beans is not just farming. It is independence. Let's start at the beginning. The first step is choosing the right place. Beans need sunlight. Choose a spot that receives direct sun most of the day. With climate change, excess rain and extreme heat are more common. So the soil does not need to be perfect, but it must drain well. If water stands after rain, beans will suffer. A slightly raised area protects the roots during heavy rainfall. Keep this plot close to your home. When weather changes suddenly, what is closer gets attention first. What we see every day, we take better care of. Now let's prepare the soil. You do not need tractors or machines. With a hoe, loosen the soil, break up clods, and remove heavy weeds. After that, the real strength comes from organic matter. Healthy soil is the best protection against climate stress. It holds moisture during drought and drains better during heavy rain. Use what you already have. Well-aged manure, dry straw, leaves, crop residues. All of this brings life back to the soil and helps it handle changing seasons. Mix this organic material into the soil. This allows beans to grow strong, without depending on purchased fertilizer. Now comes a very important step, the seed. The more we depend on commercial seeds, the more vulnerable we become to the market and climate shifts. Whenever possible, use local beans, heirloom or traditional varieties. Beans already adapted to your region's weather. Local seeds handle irregular rain, heat, and soil better. They carry the memory of past seasons. Choose whole grains. No stains. No holes. These produce strong plants. Saving seed today guarantees tomorrow's harvest. Even when planting seasons change. With the soil ready and the seed selected, it is time to plant. Pay attention to the season. Beans grow best when soil is warm, and frost risk has passed. In some regions, this is spring. In others, the start of the rainy season. Because climate patterns shift. Do not plant by calendar alone. Plant by observing the land. Make small holes with your finger or hoe. The depth is simple, 2 to 3 fingers deep. Do not plant too deep, especially in cooler or wetter seasons. Place 2 or 3 seeds in each hole. This ensures at least one strong plant emerges, even if weather conditions are uneven. Spacing matters. Leave about a hand's width between planting holes. Between rows, leave enough space to walk and weed later. Good airflow reduces disease during humid periods. Cover the seeds with loose soil. Press gently with your hand. Do not step on it. After planting, care begins. If the soil is dry, water lightly. Do not overwater. Beans do not like soaked soil, especially during cooler seasons. Water early in the morning or late in the afternoon, to reduce stress from heat. As the plants grow, watch the weeds. Weeds steal strength and moisture from beans. Weed at the right time, gently. Do not let beans compete, especially during dry spells. For pests, observe first. Climate change can increase pest pressure, but many problems resolve naturally with balance. Wood ash, garlic spray, or pepper spray can help, but the main defense is strong plants. Healthy soil creates resilient crops. Time moves quickly. Soon the beans will flower. Then pods will form. During flowering, extreme heat or heavy rain can reduce yields. This is why planting at the right seasonal window matters. Harvest time comes when the pods are dry and yellowing. Do not harvest too early. Good beans are fully dry beans. Pull up the plants and let them dry a few more days in the shade. Avoid direct rain during drying. Then thresh calmly. Now comes one of the most important steps: storage. Poor storage means loss, especially in humid climates. Make sure the beans are completely dry. Store them in sealed containers. Bottles, cans, or well-protected bags work well. Keep them in a dry, airy place. Separate a portion only for seed. That seed is freedom. It guarantees the next planting. Even if the next season comes late, early, or uncertain. Planting beans is more than producing food. It is an act of independence in a changing climate. It means your family does not fully depend on the market or on predictable seasons to eat. Those who plant, harvest. Those who save seed, plant again. And those who do this build real food security. Start small, but start. The land responds. And beans, when respected, always give back.